So friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing good and you are having good health. So friends, Sun Pharma industry has declared the Q4 results. So I have projected in front of you friends. So the result declared by the company, and that the dividend declared by the company is around 2 rupees per share of the dividend declared by the company. So it is not so much good dividend. As per me, it is average dividend. So you can take that if you are holding the stock at the dividend declare date, dividend distribution date. So next we will check the consolidated results of the company friends. So consolidated results are projected in front of you friends. So if you see, the total revenue is 85,229 against 81,849 rupees billion. So there is a considerable increase in the revenue declared by the company. Then total income is seen at 86,339 against 82,871. So there is a rise in the total income. If you see overall net profit declared by the company is 8,941, that is 8.9 billion, against 3,998 rupees million. So there is a good rise in the net profit declared by the company friends. So as per me, the profit margin has good improvement we are able to see in the Sun Pharma results of last quarter. But the street had estimated around 14,000 of million net profit, but against 14,000, the Sun Pharma has declared 8,949. So we check the chart, we analyze the chart in next few time moments, and we will try to analyze the next important support and resistance for the Sun Pharma. So let's us go to chart friends. Wait, I will project the chart in front of you. So friends, I have projected the chart of Sun Pharma in front of you. The chart, Sun Pharma has given the closing approx today, considering the result confusion. So if you see the important support, I have marked the important support, that is this trend line, this horizontal line. I mark that is a 650 is important support. If you get the Sun Pharma at this level, try to accumulate the stock. Also after that, important support will be a 625 rupees, that is 100-day moving average of the Sun Pharma, that is 625 rupees. So 625 is also good value at which you can accumulate the stock at that might be attractive valuations friends. So the important trend, MS regarding the factor regarding the MACD is currently bullish crossover. If you see this crossover, the MACD is bullish, and after that, if it convert into bearish, try to stop and try to get the stock at cheaper price, and don't jump directly at higher valuations. So important point I missed regarding the EBITDA margin. So EBITDA is declared by the company is a 20.5 against 13.65. So there is a good improvement in the EBITDA declared by the company. So that I missed from the in the result dictation point. So as per me, the Sun Pharma is good to accumulate at 650 and 625 level if you get in near future, and I am expecting the good movement in upside direction for the target of 800 plus. So I am expecting the 3 digit in next 2 years in the Sun Pharma, if all will be good for the company. So friends, regarding the MACD crossover, wait for the bullishness to continue, and wait for the RSI cross 70-65 above. So if you get that on the weekly chart frame, then you can enter. Also you need to watch this breakout, and that is Bollinger Band blast. If you are getting the stock at Bollinger Band blast and it is sustained for 1 hourly, you need to enter the friends. So this is all from my side friends, and stay happy, stay healthy, and have a safe investment friends. Thank you. Happy trading, safe trading.